Do you want to know how to use BullX for beginners? So if you're a beginner, then this video is for you. So you can head over to your browser and then search for BullX, and you should be able to see this. So just click onto this connect Telegram, and then from in there, it will redirect you to your Telegram wallet, wherein those will be connected. You should be able to see in here your BullX. So you can click onto this add funds option right here. If you want to add funds, just scan this right here or copy the wallet address in order to actually add funds to this one. You can also click onto this withdraw right here if you want to withdraw something that you have just added. You can also click onto this distribute option and you can distribute or select a token from this one. For example, F, and then just choose from the wallet that you have right now as well as the amount that you will have for that, and then distribute it from the other. Now you can also click on this consolidate, which actually does the same thing but on reverse. So from in there, you can also click onto this BullX option right here, and you can see in here your portfolio, automation, and the likes. So you can just explore from this right here, add some tokens on your watch list and the likes.